The axe forgets, but the tree remembers. However long the night, the dawn will break. When an old man dies, a library is burned with him. Knowledge without wisdom is like water in the sand. Once you carry your own water, you'll remember every drop. Wisdom is like fire. People take it from others. A fool has to say something. A wise person has something to say. Wood already touched by fire is not hard to set alight. If you are filled with pride, then you will have no room for wisdom. He who refuses to obey cannot command. Having a good discussion is like having riches. Do not call a dog with a whip in your hand. Rain does not fall on one roof alone. However far a stream flows, it doesn't forget its origin. The eye never forgets what the heart has seen. When one is in love, a cliff becomes a meadow. A wise man fills his head before emptying his mouth. A family tie is like a tree. It can bend, but it cannot break. Every beetle is a gazelle in the eyes of its mother. The child who is not embraced by the village will burn it down to feel its warmth.